Hey yo, what's good? What's good?
Vape God. It's Racer Miata here.
So, a lot of shit has happened since our last video made in August.
Yeah, a lot of shit, dude.
Nick got this.
My Chevy Silverado, Chris Rudnick head ass.
And I got a Miata, Chris Rudnick head ass. So, right now, my Miata blew up. So, we're gonna put this engine that's back there in my car. We're gonna put a new head gasket and studs in it. What do you think, bud?
Well, Jake ordered a new head gasket, ARP head studs, and yeah, it's gonna be quick as fuck. There's no boost, VTEC only, squat. Nah, but we're on the way to the shop. I'm not steering right now because the alignment's A1 on this thing. Squat, you know what I'm saying? Oh fuck, I'm going the other way. But we're going to the shop right now. We're going to do all that shit, inspect the engine, make sure it's not a piece of shit. But yeah, we'll catch you guys there. My fucking hand. What are we doing, bruh?
Eating McChickens. That sounds good.
My mating call. Sick! I love Miatas. Hell yeah.
We're good.
Let's throw this bitch in the back. See that piece of shit out there? Right? Right there? We're putting a fucking engine in that thing. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, cousin. You already know.
Hell yeah, I can't feel my fingers. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, cousin.
Hell yeah.
Let me tell you a little story. We're going to the shop right now. We're almost there. We're turning in right now. Jewel Brothers for life. I quit vaping like 10 minutes ago. I'm out of jeweling.
Fucking idiot.
If you don't jewel, you're not a real jewel kid like me. They're fucking junk.
There's Volvos.
We're into the shop right now. Here we go.
We're pulling in, boys.
That dude can fucking suck me.
We got the engine here safely. We got Tyler's GSX and Diego's fucking XB. Wonder who's here.
No one, stupid head.
Nobody's here?
I don't know.
Nah, I'm just kidding. Look at the engine.
Bro,
And transmission, but
do it again, I'll fucking do it.
look who that is.
Hello. I gotta go around front and let us in.
Okay. Look at this icy fucking hoop. Look at this icy fucking hoop.
Bro, straight Bubba Gump shrimp coat with the front bumper on this bitch.
I was born with big gums, sir.
JDM quick release. Quick Nick release.
Holy! Hey, here.
Pull up, turn up.
Oh, it's a Ranchero.
Hey, just so you guys know, that's the real spool buses down there. We're turboing them. 4.8s with 4L80s. You hear me? It's got flat tires right now, but that'll be fixed, I promise. If you look under there, it leaked all the tranny fluid out along with oil mixed in there.
You can't see.
So
there's no way.
You're good. Lucifer, it's a work in progress right now.
Has it moved in fucking?
It's moved in the past 8 months.
Let's just say it. Last time it moved, it was warm out.
Hell yeah. It's getting new cams, and
we're gonna sign these and give these away.
they're for pre-order. Come on, guys. Who the fuck called me? What the hell?
Get you a fake iPhone app.
Yo, what's up, cousin?
We got a Fiero. This thing's pretty sick. You need to get one of these.
This isn't even centered right now.
Yo, hold up. Sid would cream because of flip ups, dude. I swear to God.
How do you?
Oh my god.
Look at Tyler's no plates. Fucking riding dirty for a year and a half now.
He hasn't got pulled over.
Hey,
Excited for this.
July 4th he bought this Deloopy.
Yeah, July 4th, when we made that video.
Last year, yeah, last year he made that and it still hasn't bought plates for it.
Still no plates.
Going up to it.
Oh, hey. Who's that?
What's up?
What's up, cousin?
Hey, don't like be too loud and shit because Nick and Rich is here. Everybody here.
Alright, cousin.
You can talk normal. Don't wait if you DJ gives you permission. What's up, guys? Yo, hold up. We need to show you this hoopty, straight hoopty. Okay, I don't. You see, it's a Dodge right there. You see, Dodge. It's got a fucking 5.3 truck motor in it, dude. I fucking love my life. Holy fuck.
I'm just gonna freehand it because I'm tired of this gimbal.
I know, gimbals are good. Well, at least just on the
I mean,
Especially like vlogging. I should have brought my like penis or something.
well, there you go. Fucking finesse a drink of this shit.
God damn, the rim fuck this thing up, bro. Fuck me up.
Joke's on us, there's no hold.
Joke's on the wind for making me. Jake, bro.
Dude, if you fell.
Insurance doesn't cover weekends.
Yeah, you can't sue, so. Hey, Jake, give my number sticker. Nickelodeon sick, head ass.
Sick.
So undo the strap. Where's the fucking ratchet?
Dude,
Unhook it.
It just fucking went weird.
hold it. It's unhooked.
I was freehanding this because I left all my shit at home for this. So hold up. Hello.
Your line next is rusting, bro.
What?
Hell yeah, cousin. We out you. There's the dyno right there. There's a Camaro right there. There's a Dodge with the 5.3 in it. And then there's a Jake. FTP squad.
I'm not wearing anything.
I don't give a shit. FTP or die.
Look that pussy.
I dive in that pussy.
Hell yeah. You need some help there, partner?
Yeah, we're gonna have to drag this slut forward a little bit.
I got help for nothing.
Muscle boy.
We're all just laughing at each other. Thanks for the help.
You're welcome.
You know this isn't gonna work, right? The bed's gonna keep lifting when we take it off. We're gonna run out of room.
No, this thing goes up high.
Yeah. As long as that, I don't trust that fucking bracket. I'm tired of it. We'll find out.
That bracket should be
If it breaks my tailgate off, Jake, you're buying me a new one.
Okay.
Yo, careful that ratchet strap. You're gonna scratch.
Careful, now that made that transmission.
Alright, just leave it like hanging so we can get the transmission off.
I just want to lower to the ground. That way, if it falls, it don't fall that far. Like where that's gonna touch the. Perfect.
Because it falls from the bed.
You know what's funny though?
What?
We put a bell housing bolt in to hold the engine up. We should have put it like hooked it to there.
Yeah, we didn't have another hook.
Oh shit! Yeah, I guess there is that there too. Well, we
You
could have
have a
bolted
hook?
it right
You
there.
guys got some mine, dude. I'm gonna pour some in this fucking engine.
The hook is this.
Dude, we'll just set it down.
Garage. Got some Mountain Barsley.
Martin Barsley.
Mountain Barsley.
Right now we're getting the bell housing off. Well, the transmission separated from the engine itself.
17.
There's a thing right there.
There's beer in there, dude. Yo, Jake. Jake.
Chill out, please.
Stop. It's threaded in the back too.
Huh?
Started in the back there. There's a sprocket right there. It's in the way.
Part of the starter.
Anybody need a Miata starter? $60 or best offer.
Where's my jewel at? All you need to do is take off the third member, and then you're good.
The third member?
Yeah, right here. Right here. You see?
The gold member.
Slam his fingers.
No, I'm just trying to think about if we should take the unbolt the slave. No, it's just on the.
What the fuck? What happened?
Hey, Lord.
Carmex dropped out of his pocket and he went like this.
What do you want us to do?
Never mind.
Okay, good job.
There's only one more here, right here.
What's this thing doing? Let's see how bad the clutch is in this thing.
Pull on it. It's coming.
Yeah.
That's a little light fucking transmission.
Put it back in my truck
Look
bed.
at that. I mean, that's
Put it back in my truck bed.
You can eat that into a car.
seriously.
Hey,
though, that is so
hey,
little.
while you and Jake are taking that apart, me and Diego are just gonna go scrap this.
Okay.
Like, I would honestly sell this thing for like $150.
Hell yeah. Oh, that's good. Dude, you know what to fix that? Take it to the scrapyard.
I mean, I guarantee mine, at least the pressure plate, is way bigger than that.
My pressure plate's probably bigger than that.
Way
I think mine's
bigger.
bigger, but not that. Not much.
Dude, I still have my clutch in my fucking... at my house.
Speaking of your clutch, is yours still slipping?
My puck clutch wasn't very big.
Talk to me when you guys fucking work on a semi-truck.
Shut up, bitch. You got a fucking torque converter.
This dude, I swear to God.
That clutch is...
Oh, your pilot bearing just fell out. Sick.
My clutch is at least twice as big as that.
Dang, this clutch actually got some good meat on it, so look at it.
Dude,
That's like brand new.
Is that to a lawnmower?
For real. Actually, this is actually a decent clutch.
We'll look at the other one then.
Hey, we'll get back to you guys here in a minute. Peace out.
We're good up? Good up? We're good to go up? We're good to go up? Yes?
What?
No? No?
For
Okay.
permanent.
Just go up, dude. They're being fucking retards.
Can I see the jewel? You got the jewel.
It's in my hand right here. Here, take
Dude,
my
this shit
take
looks
my
like
jewel.
a pendulum, like you would swing it and cut someone's
Take a
fucking
rip
head
of it.
off.
Come on. Do it.
Look at it, it's shaped like
Bop.
this.
I'm a virgin,
You know
I
what?
can't.
Fine. Hit the two-step, come on. Whoa.
Make it bounce.
The fucking X beat.
You're good. That bolt's fucking in there.
R.I.P. my wallet. You already know.
He said RIP my wallet, but I can't even comprehend it because he bought ARP studs and a head gasket. Sick. Holy dude, put some WD-40 on that fucker.
R.I.P. headphones. You're good. 2.5 bills. About 3 bills.
Dude, after he puts the head studs in, how much horsepower do you think he's gonna gain?
Probably less, dude. The oil was probably adding to the horsepower.
So do you think it's more than 120 like Sid's 240 on the dyno day here?
He said I'm gonna add about 50 because it's a Mustang dyno.
Speaking of that, we got a dyno day
Here's what I would do.
coming up, probably early summer, early spring sometime. I'm not sure when. We need to talk to Tej about that shit. Squat.
That's not.
What'd you grab?
19.
Yeah, this is 21.
Oh, that's 3/4.
Go grab a 21. It's on the 3/8 rack.
3/4. I've never heard someone say a socket 3/4. Hey, can you go grab the 1/4 ratchet? Chill out, lube tech. Fuck.
Dude, he's gonna be a master loop tech, okay? You gotta chill out.
A master lube tech. Dude,
Did you not notice that? No.
this thing's
Extra $50 for this thing.
dude.
Shit.
Get JB well. Oh my god,
How did none of you guys see that shit?
I never noticed that when I
dude.
bought it.
It was still together when I recorded that crack.
Fuck, you fucked me.
And like, the crack up here, I don't think this is much to worry about.
Jesus.
Dude, move them sockets. Who the fuck works on the ground like that?
And bolts.
Jake, what used to go here?
What?
Jake, what used to go here?
What? What are you talking
Dude, they fucked me, dude.
Oh, that's thermostat housing. It's 2 bolts on each side. I have another one on my car right now.
So are you reusing the timing belt, the new one?
Yeah.
No, you're not. You have to get new timing. I said so.
This bitch probably runs better than fucking the one you have right now.
Yep. That's why I'm doing this.
Do it again. Do it again. Hell yeah.
Hell.
yeah. Oh yeah, dude.
I just got some fucking banana bread at work today, dude. Hell yeah.
Stop.
Shut the fuck up, you stupid fuck.
You listen up here.
Here, where?
I don't have anything to say.
Okay, sorry. You good?
What
What are you doing, bro?
I'm not ashamed of my penis.
Ghostbusters, yeah.
So right now we're making sure this motor is in time. We got the valve cover off. We got the headers off. We got
I'm taking the intake
a
manifold
bolt
off
dropped
right
in the
now.
oil, but you know, by somebody.
Taking the manifold off, intake. We already got the exhaust off.
What is this?
I don't know.
Fucking idea.
Don't go too fast. I think you're about to start it. I was like, wait, why?
Too far. Damn it. Is there a pair of pliers up here?
There goes my valves. What is this music?
It's okay.
Okay, we need to go around. Bumps here between that mark and that mark. 18, 19. Yeah, it's in time. Oh yeah.
We're dropping this whole wind. It's good. Well, I
It's
just
in
started.
time.
And you
I
hear
don't know why these don't line up, but there's 19.
Hell yeah.
I just spun it around 3 times. There's 19 of these humps between the belt, in between this mark and that mark. I think maybe that might have something to do with the cams being flipped. I think it's alright.
Okay, we'll figure it out.
when we try
Well,
to
you'll
start
see
it.
though, because if you'll see the pre-detonation on the top of the piston surface, if there is any.
And plus, we didn't see the E and the I on my other engine because it was covered in sludge.
Yeah. I think we're good.
This is cut for my alternator, I think.
Nick, you planned that?
This is cut. Yeah, they just cut my alternator off. That's, you know, it's so difficult to fucking take the...
Too fast for you.
Yeah, they were like, hey, we're not going to take this bracket off. We're just going to fucking cut it so we can get this plug out. Bitch, be gone. Hideaway license plate.
Well, I'm shifting.
I'm using that. This is the bin to keep all my shit that I'm reusing.
For real?
Yep. I'm reusing all this shit. I'm using those NGK plug wires. I'm using
We're
that.
still using this.
Yeah, I'm still using that.
We're gonna keep this piece. This thing right here protects the spring from crud. We're gonna put that on your new engine.
Okay.
Or in your, well,
Man,
whatever
I'm
combination of
tripping
shit
right
we
now,
come.
bro. I can't find the 12 out, dude.
I'm not using any of the pulleys that's on this right now.
Oh, I found it.
Putting them over
Alternator
there to
and
keep
shit.
inventory of the shit that we have right now.
Jake,
Oh my god, is
Go
that
for it.
wobbling?
That alternator's fucked. This has just probably got bent.
But it's yeah. It's,
Jake,
it has
can you
no
go find
point in
it?
it.
3H10.
My fucking power steering.
Oh wait.
On my blue car. I did that. I just bent.
that it?
I bent the pulley back so it wouldn't wobble like that.
I'm nervous.
We're
The cylinder walls don't look rusted.
Look how little your fucking block is. Actually, the cylinder walls look like they still got good crosshatch in them.
dude, these fucking on these 1.6s. What the fuck?
Look at that, dude. My fist is bigger than that.
Oh my god. Look
You got fucking
Watch your head
bad.
gasket, yeah.
Oh
sludgy.
man.
That's the
Wash
fucking
down,
cheap ass
baby.
composite one. That's why I didn't want you to put another one of those in there. That's why I wanted you to get a multi-layer steel head gasket. Here's your oil and coolant galleys.
Damn, dude, that head gasket fucking.
Composite head gaskets are junk.
Yeah, they're junk as fuck. So rough, dude.
It doesn't look like there's really any pre-detonation on these. You would see it. There'd be horrible pitting.
There's just a lot of carbon buildup.
Yeah, there'd be a lot of pitting, like especially around the fucking openings of the valves.
There was supposedly 120K on this motor when he pulled it out.
Let me go get my...
All right, guys, we got the head off. As you can tell, it's sitting right here. And then we're seeing where's the head of that bolt that we found in the valley cover? Or not the valley cover, the fucking valves.
So we found this inside of this right here, just sitting on top of the valve.
As you can tell, yeah, it got all chewed up and everything, dude, from that valve. But we found it. We found it in that valve right there, and it was just sitting in there. And Jake noticed it. Thank God.
We're gonna look and make sure the valve isn't bent. And we looked on the bottom side; it looks fine.
Yeah, everything's checking out on this motor so far. So I'll set that right there now. These pistons just have really bad carbon buildup, and then there's just some gas sitting in there because this motor's been sitting.
You can expect from a motor that had 120,000 on it.
Yeah, we're gonna clean up this and then see how it does.
I don't see anything major.
You got a 1.5 in your car, don't you?
Those actually look pretty good.
1.5, 1.6. We're gonna have a rap battle between them.
Dude, but mine produces like way more horsepower than this piece of shit.
We still have oil in this, so be wary of that.
Yeah. You're gonna change it anyways. You have to take the oil pan off. Probably reseal it.
Well, I mean, we could drain it right now just to be safe. Because you're acting like this thing's gonna start.
Well, no, I mean like if we have to flip the engine over.
Yeah.
'Cause it'll all come out of this.
Yeah, the fucking galleys. So what are your build plans right now?
Throw in the head gasket. And
make it run.
ARP studs. Make it run.
Well, no, I'm talking about down the road because
Slam
we
it
already
down the
had
road.
told them about them.
Hang on, look at this. Look at it this way.
Camber.
We're putting a multi-layer steel chromatic gasket in the head studs. I mean, Rudnick's motor didn't even have that.
Oh damn!
We could fucking.
I'm thinking.
We could turbo this thing and run
we
fucking
could
12
run-
pounds of boost.
Dude, you could.
I'm thinking of boost this fall, maybe.
Hey, I'm boosting my Silverado this fucking winter, next winter.
I'm
So
boosting my DSM. Oh wait, never mind. It's already done.
don't let him fool you. He's got a 420A.
Actually,
Tyler
I'm gonna kill myself
Tyler and
for
me
saying
are actually going to be working on my truck. I haven't shown you guys this at all, so we're gonna do a little preview. It's just a basic ass work truck. It's a 2012, and it's got the 6L80 in it. Got some McDonald's in there. Hell yeah! It's got the 6L80 and a 5.3 LMG iron block. I got my Spectre cold air intake here.
Spectre.
Hold up. Let me turn on my flashlight on my
Got
phone.
that AutoZone special, boy.
Nah, this is a fucking, it's Amazon special. Yeah, but came with everything on there. And I'm actually deleting the DOD and the VVT. Probably come March, I'm doing that. Then I'm doing that, putting a stall in it because I'm going with a big cam.
Pistons look really good.
And then I think the stall is a Circle D 3000. It's going to have a billet cover for when I boost it. It makes it better for it, so I don't have to redo it. But I'm not sure if I'm going to twin turbo this or single turbo it. And there's not really any twin turbo Silverados in Omaha, so I don't know what I'm doing yet. I'm getting Speed Engineering 1 7/8 long tube headers for it, and then I'm gonna slam it. Not exactly slam by any means, but I'm gonna lower it and then dump the exhaust right here, kind of like a Ford Lightning. But I'm gonna get new wheels, new tires. This thing also needs a bath because it's fucking 8 degrees here in Omaha. And here's Sir Lube Tech Tyler here.
Lube Tech Tyler. That's me. Lube Tech Toddler.
LTT. Hell yeah.
Only my real friends call me Toddler.
For real toddler.
Me bop.
So what are some, you want to give the sub some info about what we're doing this year with our group?
Well, I have a Miata.
Fucking lot of bitches. Mainly our girlfriends.
I guess we're Miataing. I'm making that a verb, Miataing. and that's what we're doing this summer for our group.
I know all about these.
Nah, but I think we're gonna rent out the track this year and maybe do like roll racing or something fun, dude. Maybe a time attack event at the track.
Watch out.
But I don't know.
What's the fucking royal purple for the oil? We paid $57.
No, I'm gonna use fucking Mazda special. Right. What are we doing?
We're cleaning the head off, and I'm gonna give it head.
Goddamn. Just fucking set that in there.
Perfect fit, brother.
Here's what actually I'm gonna do first.
We're gonna clean up this head.
There might not be that much in this. Might have to fucking refill it. Yeah, we're gonna have to refill it. Take that one out.
He fully pressurizes it, takes it off.
That's what my car is gonna sound like. Look at this thing. It's dark in here, but got a fat turbo. Fucking 1,300 horsepower Mustang.
I'll race you after I put the cam and shit in.
Okay.
Cause I'll probably make 350, 400 horsepower to the wheels.
And I'll probably make fucking 97 of those and still smack you.
So this is gonna be the boring video.
See, it's just corrosive.
We're just trying to get something out, you know, but I want to at least upload once a week, maybe even twice if we get the chance.
The hard part is that Nick got a new job and he works nights, so we only get to see him 2 days every week.
Yeah, I work 3:15 to midnight.
Oh, I see him every day.
Diesel mechanic head ass. I'm ordering the Circle D stall when I get my taxes. I think I'm gonna go with a billet one, like I said earlier, and then the headers, the cam, DOD delete, VVT delete, and then lifters, blah blah blah, push rods, all from Texas Speed. I'm probably going to be doing that early March, I think, somewhere around there. And then I need to figure out how I'm going to build the exhaust, kind of like the Ford Lightning setup, but I am not sure how I'm going to do that yet. I'm just waiting until I get the engine work done.
Chin shots.
Ooh, look at all that gunk coming out of there. Put her up at the top again, Tyler. Look. Oh, that's good.
See, get to scrubbing. Get a scrubber and get to scrubbing.
I'm not scrubbing. I'm gonna scrub on my cams with a wire brush. Make sure to get into these intake valves.
Yeah, I know. Dude, I do this for my job. Trust what I'm doing.
Okay, I'm trusting you.
Trust me, slut. Well, you didn't take the spark plugs out of those other holes. That's sad.
We know the other parts of things.
Look at this. Watch what's gonna come out of this shit.
Sick.
That's so good and tasty.
Good and tasty.
That's good. We'll get back to you when we're done with this. Okay, cool. Bye. All right, guys. So we got everything cleaned up. I got my truck moved out. Got all the bolts cleaned up. Sweep the floor. We're over there cleaning the head, blowing it out so there's not a bunch of rust and shit in there. We got the block completely stripped, pretty much. It still has oil in it and shit, so we're just gonna wait till we replace the can gasket and pan, and the motor mounts are still on. But they're over here spraying the head out because we just used a bunch of degreaser on it, and then I used it on the
You won't be able to hear.
valve cover. But yeah, there's the head. They're finishing blowing it out. Next weekend we're trailering Jake's car up here with my truck, and then we're gonna be doing all the rest of this stuff, putting the head back on, head gasket, etc. But we'll catch you guys in the next video. See you then.